What do you classify as a real relationship?
Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and today on Why Not Wednesdays, I'm bringing on a special guest. It's my sister, and she's gonna introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Halle Chambers. You know me already from one of his videos when I told you my Instagram and I tasted the food. But yeah, if you don't watch the video, go check it out.
Yes, sir. So look down in the description. I'm gonna leave her IG again in the description. So look down in the description. Again, guys, I always tell you to follow me on all the socials. I'll leave my Instagram handle down below. So go over there and follow me because this video is really brought to you through my Instagram followers because them say them want to say Alipa, why not Wednesdays? Is it me? And I was just like, let's make it happen. So them shoot me some suggested topics and stuff like that, and me sift through them. Some of them are foolishness. Me sift through them and really appreciated it. And yeah, so today Halle and I will be saying, well, I said to her, yo, let's do things we wish adults knew. But Halle went a step further and said she wants to talk about things that she wish parents knew. So I guess she'll be gearing this Why Not Wednesday?
Yes.
Alright, so let's go. What's the first thing you wish parents knew?
Alright. This is from my point of view because like I'm a person that loves to smile and always happy, right? And when my face looks upset or down, my parents be like, Halle, what's wrong with you? Are you upset? What's wrong? And when I say nothing because nothing's really wrong with me, I just won't be smiling all the time. They'll be like, no, something's wrong with you and why feels upset, but there's nothing really wrong with me. I just don't want to smile right now.
So you're saying that parents sometimes should just accept, say, like, we're humans, and every time I go smile, sometimes we're not go as chirpy, and we'll go through different emotions, is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So like when we say, so parents, when Ali or your child says, yo, them good, just understand say them good, them just not smile now. Like, they're alright, isn't me? So what's the next thing you wish parents knew?
When we clean house and like
Clean?
any part of the house, they clean your room or the kitchen or the living room or something, right? They'll come and say, or like these are some reasons they'll say. One, they'll say, criticize you and say, oh, if you clean the house, I never do that, and oh, you never do that and that, right? And one will point out every mistake what you make because you clean the house. Just smile and be proud and say, can't you clean the house? But it's true.
So what you say is parents instead of a curse. I'ma just when you say all of your essay, I'm gonna just try to make it concise, you see me? So you say parents should understand, right? And appreciate our efforts in the house. You see me?
Exactly.
Rather than complain and criticize and look at the things you didn't do. So parents, brought to you by Halle, like she said, right? Instead of focusing on what we didn't do, think about what we did do and be proud of us.
Cup half empty. Right?
Yeah, the cup is half full, not a half empty.
Exactly.
So the next one.
All right. We are old enough to do and remember things on our own. For example, all right, let's our parents say, all right, like, especially kids my age, right? Because when they're like 19, so they think they're adult, right? But my age...
I mean, me think me adult. Me adult.
Yes, whatever, right? But like my age, we are old enough because we're turning teenager right now. So they say, because when we're younger, they still like, go and bathe and all that, right? But we're old enough to go and bathe by ourselves. And by you saying it's me like that's making it seem that we don't do that already. I'm just talking the truth.
Girl, I'm not like when you expose your business. You're saying our parents supposed to stop, remind you to do everything.
Yes.
You know, like help.
Like sometimes, yes, we're like sometimes you'll be like, just doing it too much.
You want to do too much. Okay. By the way, guys, real quick, if you can guess, like the first person down in the comments to guess Halle's age, right? Because I don't know her name, but guess our age. Is it me?
And if you know my age, do not say
Yeah, like if you definitely know it, clearly this not count for you. But you'll get keychain sponsored by Double 7. I don't know if you can see it good. I have one on my back, they're really cool. And a sticker, also sponsored by Double 7. So just first person to comment our age, is it me? Also, if you've made it this far into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell
a friend.
Alright, let's go. So what's the next thing you wish parents knew?
Alright, this one I think a lot of children have this problem. Alright. when we decide to go and do a chore by ourselves, like we say, okay, we're gonna get up and do this chore to make our parents feel proud, and then at the same time the parent goes say do that chore, it just makes it feel like it's a command. And I know some parents who are watching this will be like, oh, but we're just trying to do the same thing. No. By you saying it feels like, oh, you have to, it's a command. But by us deciding to do it ourselves, it just better.
So you're saying it feels better to do things on your own?
Yes.
Guys, should I go up? I never know she come out strong for the one here. I never know she come out. So, brought to you by Halle. Parents, if you're listening, if you're watching, every parent, sometimes if we're gonna do something, like I will say we're gonna do something, just like know so we're gonna do it. You see me? If we say we're gonna do this, just know so we're gonna do it. Don't every minute you constantly remind me. Cause the more you remind us, the less we're gonna want to do it. So sometimes if we just give it a chance to just do things and work our own pace and stuff. But it works. You see me? It works. So next thing, real quick.
Alright, this is the phone one. Alright, yeah. When we're on our phone, it does not mean all the time that we're idling, playing game, watching a show. Because of this quarantine, sometimes we're relating to school business, like our teachers texting us, we're in a group or something, a project. It's not all the time mean like, oh, we're idling and what doing on your phone and all that.
So phone time doesn't always mean a waste of time, right? Because you have your schoolwork on your phone and them something, right? Speaking of, because sometimes I use my phone to study a lot of times on my laptop, so it doesn't always mean that I waste time. But speaking of studying and everything, it's exam time, and tonight is a study night, so I have to be drinking my 7. Yeah, I have to be drinking my 7 because tonight is a stay up type of vibe because I have a stats testing up, and they're not bigger than me. So, guys, don't forget to get a 7. I'll leave the link down below. Go follow 7 Jamaica and just continue to share the energy. You have any more?
Yeah, this one is same as the phone. Our phone is not the problem. No, it's not. Our phone is our connection to the outside world. It's technically our life because because of this quarantine, we can't be going outside all the time. We can't be socializing with our friends. We can't be talking with different people. But because we have our phone, we can do that. So by you taking away our phone, it's like you're putting us in a jail, like you're taking away our lives. Something like
that. All right. So you're saying, right? Our parents should be more understanding. These are things I wish them did know, you know. Say, yo, with phone, are literally how we connect to our friends. And I like them with some go up a Mass Joe when they're younger. So our phone are what we use to connect with the outside world, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So you taking our phones, like you, I take our friend, them, I take away. How we connect. Makes sense. Also, I gave Halle the opportunity to slide in questions she wants me to answer. So I guess you guys will be getting a bonus. And if you know the most right there, write them down. By the way, guys, Halle set up like she's prepared. I said this all to her this morning and she got it done.
Hold up, I was not finished with this. I have one more point. Okay. This one is in my head. All right. Especially for children my age now who really need the support.
Slow down.
Right. Especially for children my age now who really need the support because we're in first form, or even like any child right now. We need that extra push. We need that support. We need you to be there for us because it's hard on the online school because it's very stressing. Have to always be checking the to-do list, checking the to-do list, sign the register, always remember to go to class. It's very challenging. And remember doing homework, assignments to send in. We need you now more than ever to be there as like...
But you just say, you know what, your parents remind you about stuff.
No, not like that. I'm talking about like stuff we have to do. Like, I'm talking about that.
Oh, like home stuff.
Yes.
But related to schoolwork, you want help with that.
Exactly. Everyone needs help with like my age. We need, because I know personally what school that I'm going, that you have some children who are really struggling with the online thing now, and like I think it's like because of the parent. We need, because my mommy, she'll always be there like telling me to do that homework, do that, remember to do that, and
Pick up yourself, mommy.
remember to do that, and even though it's like, oh my gosh, mommy, that's but like because she is there as a constant reminder, sometimes it's stuck in my head that yes, I must do that, must do that. So some students need those parents who are there, even though we probably don't like it, but it's there for a reason.
You know, you're my sister though. Bossy as love it, love it, love it. So you want to ask me the question that you want to ask me now?
Yes.
You have it write down somewhere?
Yes.
You have found this too?
Yes.
God damn. Get it real quick.
You really want them your question anyway? You ready for this? Alright. Questions from my brother.
Real quick. Alright, so questions for her brother. Real quick.
Alright.
Jesus.
Alright. Number 1. What was high school like for you? Meaning your experience, friendship, you've gained, you've lost, like what was for you?
In high school I gained a lot of friends. You see me? I gained a lot of friends, formed a lot of new relationships, new bonds. And overall it helped me to like express myself more. Because I never know something like poetry before high school. You see me? And I never have the level of confidence I have now to like do stuff like this before high school. So it really helps me to express myself more. Because like you're going to a new environment, nobody knows you. You can become who you want to be. So nobody never see me in high school and know say, oh, we used to fight for primary school. So them see me and think he's a good looking youth. That's what I'm saying? Next question, real quick.
Alright. Is being in a relationship hard, or like what is it like? Like what's it like?
I mean being in a relationship. It's being
Like putting effort, like is it hard to like be in a relationship?
alright.
Stressing?
Truth? Oh boy, why? Alright.
And if
You
it's
know what?
not-
No. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest with you. Alright. So truth is, it takes effort.
Mm-hmm.
It takes effort, and it takes like you have to be purposeful. You see me? Like you can't just say, "Oh, it gonna happen." If you want something, you have to do it. So when I said do it, but a relationship takes effort. Continue.
Alright. What do you alright, you ready for this? What do you classify as a real relationship? A real one.
One that has good communication and has a lot of trust, and just one that you can be yourself in. I feel like a good relationship is one that you don't have to change enough for yourself.
True.
So the less you have to change by yourself, and the better the relationship. Because like compromise is different from changing yourself. You know what I'm saying? Boy, yeah, with the relationship question then though.
Alright, next one. Have you ever been bullied, or are you a bully?
Better question. You think I'm a bully?
No.
I don't think I have a memory of ever being bullied.
Okay. Alright.
As in like serious bully. I don't think I've had people who don't like me and say stuff for me. I don't think I've ever had an incident where I was bullied excessively. I've bullied before. I'm being honest. When I was younger, I've bullied before, but it's not something like I'm proud of. It's something fun fact, I've made friends with the people I used to bully.
Oh. Okay.
Like I remember I used to bully this youth in first form, and now I'm a G. Because I felt bad about it. Like when I grew up, got older, I felt bad about it, and I made friends with that youth, made him cool now.
Okay.
You see me? Next, real quick.
Alright. Relating to one of your videos when you said loving someone, but when you love someone, it doesn't mean like love. It depends on what does love come with, right?
Yeah.
So what does your love come with?
Ja. What does my love come with?
Yeah.
I feel like that's a question for a whole different video, mama.
Alright.
Wait, I'm answering. My love comes with cleanness, a lot of emotions. My love language, like how I show love, is through gifting. So like, if there was someone that them can expect like random gifts and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying?
Hear that, girls?
Nah. I'm like nah. You see me? Nah. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good right now. I'm good.
Stop! Anyways, number 6.
Are you putting my business out on the internet, dog?
Anyways,
Shut.
number 6.
Yo, my love comes with a lot. You see me? Sentimental type. Yeah. Move on. Yeah, stress me out. Yo, yeah, stress me out, man.
Alright. Do you feel like living quote unquote college life, or like are you living quote unquote college life?
Who,
or
me?
yeah,
Right now?
or because of COVID it makes it impossible?
I think you wanted to ask if I think I'm living a college life, but I'm not living a dorm life. Do you get what I'm saying?
Like, I don't mean like a college life, I mean like people.
I'm definitely not living the college life because I haven't really made. I've made a few college friends. Big up yourself. You know yourself, dog. Enough of them. Like, big up on yourself. I mean, like, we don't want to pretty bit of them. Big up on yourself, dog. You see what I say? And just know that Wednesday we are on stats. You see what I say? No, not Wednesday. Today are Wednesday. The video I drop Wednesday. I mean, Thursday night we are on stats. You see me, dog? No watch your face. But I don't think I got the opportunity to do the whole college life because of a lot of restrictions. You see me? But COVID soon backs off. I'm very hopeful. Have any more questions for me?
Yeah.
More,
just tell the time. What's your longest relationship? Yeah, answer. Last question. Last one. I'm very sorry. Optional.
I'll answer.
Okay.
My longest relationship was 2 years. But, you know what? Love that. My longest relationship was 2 years, let's just say that. But my most meaningful relationship was 1 year.
Alright.
You finish now?
Yes.
Stress me out, man. Yeah, my run up that is just stress me out, man. Anyways,
That's the point.
god damn. Woo! Anyways, thanks for forwarding, guys. This has been Why Not Wednesdays. You guys requested Halle on my Instagram. Here she is. Go follow my Instagram and so you can participate in more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that.
Your friend Howard said.
Nah. Tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Let's go.
Tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend.
Big up on yourself. Be gone.